Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. Let's provide a solution to this challenge. Question read 2 divided by 3 all to the power of x minus 3 equals to 9 divided by 4 all to the power of x squared. What is the possible value for x? So let's provide a solution to this challenge. Please, if you are new here, subscribe to this channel and please don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you get notified whenever I drop videos on mathematics. So see solution. Okay, the question reads 2 over 3 all to the power of x minus 3 equals to 9 over 4 all to the power of x squared. Okay, having this, what then is the next step? What are we going to do next? Okay, the next thing we are going to do is to rewrite this. So we must know that 9 is equals to 3 to the power of 2 and 4 is equals to 2 to the power of 2. Okay, so if we do that, we have this to be 2 over 3, okay, all to the power of x minus 3, okay, equals to, so we can write this to be 3 to the power of 2 divided by 2 to the power of 2 all to the power of x squared. Okay, because this is what we're not having. So this is what we're not having. So from here, from this point, we're going to apply rule 6. If we're having a to the power of n over b to the power of n is equals to a over b all to the power of n. Okay, so if we put this through, at this part, we simply have this to be 2 over 3 all to the power of x minus 3 equals to 3 over 2, okay, all to the power of 2 all to the power of x squared. Okay, so having done this, what then is the next step? Okay, so the next thing we are going to do at this part, we are going to apply rule 6. If we have a to the power of n all to the power of n is also equals to a to the power of m n. Okay, so we put this through now. At this part, we have this to be 2 over 3, okay, all to the power of x minus 3 equals to 3 over 2 all to the power of 2x squared. Okay, so this is what we are not having. Okay, this is what we're not having. Okay, having done this, at this part, we are going to apply rule 6. Before we apply the rule, we are going to look at our right hand side. We can see that our right hand side we're having 2 divided by 3. Sorry, at our left hand side we're having 2 divided by 3, and at our right hand side we're having 3 divided by 2. So we want to interchange it so that both sides can be the same. So at this right hand side, I can apply rule 6. If you're having a over b all to the power of n, okay, it's also equals to b over a all to the power of minus n. So if I put this through, here, I'll simply have this to be 2 over 3, okay, all to the power of x minus 3 equals to, so if I put this through here now, it becomes 2 over 3, okay, all to the power of minus 2x squared. Okay, so this is what we are not having. So we can see that this both base are the same, so we can compare the equation. So we can see x minus 3 is equals to minus 2x squared. Okay, so if we have to write this thing in a quadratic form, we can simply bring this one to this other side. So we have this one to be 2x squared plus x minus 3 equals to 0. Okay, so this is what we are not having. So from here we are going to apply a quadratic rule using the factorization method. So you can see this times this is going to give us minus 6, and I'm going to think of two numbers. If we multiply those two numbers and we add those two numbers, it's going to give us minus 6. And if we add those two numbers, it's going to give us positive 1. So those two numbers are minus 2 and 3. So if you do that, we have here to be 2x squared, okay, minus 2x, okay, plus 3x, okay, minus 3 equals to 0. Okay, so this is what we are now having. So this is what we are now having. So if you come here and solve further, so this is what we are now having. So we are now having this. We can now put a bracket at this part. We can put a bracket here. Okay, we can also put a bracket here. Okay, so if you look at this part, something is common, and that thing is common is 2x. So if we factor 2x out, we have 2x. Okay, 2x open bracket, 2x divided by 2x squared give us x. Okay, 2x divided by 2x give us minus 1. Okay, plus something is common, that thing is common is 3. So 3 divided by 3x give us x. 3 divided by minus 3 is going to give us minus 1 equals to 0. Okay, so from here we can see that this and this are the same, so simply have this to be 2x plus 3, okay, times x minus 1 equals to 0. So from here now we can see our x minus 1 equals to 0, therefore our x is equals to 1. Okay, then 2x plus 3 equals to 0. Okay, therefore 2x is equals to minus 3. Okay, minus 3. Okay, from here now we can now see our x is equals to minus 3 divided by 2. So this is the second value for x, and this is the first value for x. So please, if you are new here, subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Don't forget to hit the like button, and please drop a comment on the comment section below to encourage this channel. Bye bye. See you in my subsequent video. Thank you. I love you.